Hello everybody, my name is Eric Wagner from Endeavor TechOps. We're here at the PIA-Youngstown campus. The PIA-Youngstown campus is the 10th campus of 6 schools that we've rolled out the AMP program to, and we're really excited about the relationship going forward with PIA-Youngstown. During our meetings today, we explained how our AMP program works, which includes regular campus visits where we mentor and help educate students on career opportunities at Endeavor. We share details about our company, our culture, and our benefits. When a student signs up for AMP, they're able to start the candidate review process right away and could secure a qualifying job offer as early as 6 months out. One of the many benefits of the AMP program, it allows the student to get a contingent job offer, or CJO, which at that time allows them to focus on finishing their training going forward. To learn more about our AMP partnerships, please visit us at EndeavorAir.com. Thanks for watching.